Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to make a frame in Figma within seconds. So to get started, we'll quickly click on this tic-tac-toe box that we have here. If you hover over it, you can see that there's a small box that says frame, and besides that, there's a shortcut key saying F. That means if you press F, this particular tool will get activated. So we'll simply click on this, and after clicking on this, we'll find that there's this list appears on the right side of your screen. So in this list, we can see that there is phone, tablet, desktop, presentation, watch, paper, social media, Figma community, and archive. So under the frame list, we'll quickly choose iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max. Once we click on this, we can see that there is a frame here now. To rename this frame, we can simply double click on the top of the frame. There's a very small name written here, iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max dash 1. If you double click on it, you can simply rename it to anything. I'll just rename it to the frame. And there are some rules to the frame. So if after selecting the frame, you draw a rectangle in it, so I'll quickly select this rectangle tool and I'll draw a rectangle in it. So you can see in the layers panel under the frame there is rectangle 1, but if I click and drag rectangle 1 out of here, it suddenly goes above the frame. So rectangle 1 is now not part of the frame, but if I drag it back inside the frame, it suddenly comes under the frame. So anything that you want to be part of your frame, make sure that it is the name of that particular layer is under the frame name. So few quick properties of the frame is, like, once you select the frame, you can see that there is this fill color where you can change the fill of the frame. You can decrease the opacity. You can also fill it with gradient or with an image or with a video. What we can also do is add stroke to it. So you can see that there are different colors that you can select here. I'll select white so that you can easily see it. And the stroke is currently on the inside of the frame. So if I increase the stroke size, it increases on the inside. And if I put it on center, then it goes both equally inside and outside. And outside means outside. I hope you get the gist of it. We also have effects. So under effects, you can have drop shadow. If I change the color of the drop shadow, you can see that there is a white shadow here now. You can again play with the properties of the drop shadow. If I make it 20, the blur goes 20, and the spread I can change. I can also change the opacity of it. So you can see this is how it will look. So I hope you guys learned something new, and this will help you in your design process. Thank you.